Hope you guys are doing well. In this video we are going to discuss about some basic, very basic options. Now we have an option, we have options like this one. If you click on this means undo, and this is going to back. If you click on this, if you want to go back one step, you have to click on this undo, and you will go automatically one step back. If you want to go one step forward, you have to click on this, which is called redo. These are the basic options. If you are using computer, you will be aware from them. If you want a video, you want to preview the video in your full size, you have to click on this icon. After clicking on this icon, you will see the video like this. You can play this, you can increase forward it, and you can click on this. Your video will come back to the exact duration. Now what you have to do, if you want to add any other clip, for example you want to add any other clip or any other photo or video, whatever you want to add, you have to click on this plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, simply you have to select your video and audio file or photo image, whatever you want to use. This is the basic options. So these are the basic options. If you want to split the video, I have told about that you have to select the video and you click on the split, that will be automatically used. So I hope this video I hope this is enough for today, and we have to discuss, and we need to discuss some other options in the next video series.